Welcome to this bass tutorial where I will show you my favorite technique in sidechaining bass. In my opinion, all you need to do is duck the low frequencies. This can be done with an equalizer. So what I have done is I have taken the peak controller. As you can see, we've got a nice peak, and we're sending it over to this EQ. So we're just getting the sub-frequencies out of the way. You can do this by right-clicking on the frequency and linking to controller, and then linking it to the peak. Make sure you disable the smoothing envelope. That's important. So let's hear what it sounds like without the ducking first. So we're just going to remove, is it this guy? Yes, this guy. Okay, so that's off. And here we go. So clearly that's getting in the way, right? Just like that.